Hi everyone, thank you for joining our video on training in pharma and clinical research projects. Innovation is only as strong as the people behind it. Success in pharma and MedTech doesn't just depend on knowledge of regulations or protocols, it depends on how individuals grow, lead themselves, and guide their teams. That's why training goes beyond technical skills. It's about self-leadership, taking ownership of your own work, your decisions, and your professional path. It's about mentorship, supporting new colleagues or those transitioning from other areas. It also includes customized training for regulatory and quality teams, programs that speed up onboarding, align processes quickly, and strengthen internal capacity with outsourced expertise when projects scale or deadlines are tight. Equally important is engagement in professional organizations or earning professional credentials, such as the Regulatory Affairs Certification by RAPS, which demonstrates credibility and commitment to the highest standards in the profession. And let's not forget volunteering in professional associations and communities. By contributing time and knowledge, we not only grow our own networks, but also shape the future of our industry. Today, we'll explore how this combination of knowledge, skills, lifelong learning, and collaboration can elevate both projects and careers. I'm joined by our esteemed guest, Darko Medin, AI expert, biostatistician, and data scientist, who will share his perspective on why training is a cornerstone of success in clinical research.
Thank you very much, Irena. It's really great to be your guest, and it's fantastic to contribute to discussion on this topic. One of the most important aspects of clinical research is training. And a lot of the challenges in training today are not about the lack of innovation, but about how people use the innovation. Are they trained to use the most innovative tools, the most innovative approaches dynamically? Are they trained to utilize the latest knowledge that we have, the latest artificial intelligence tools that we have today, the latest data tools that we have? So everything is changing quickly today. And if companies, clinical research institutions are not ready to change quickly and train their teams to adapt to that change, they end up in a technological debt. They end up being left behind the latest knowledge, the latest data, and of course the latest advanced analytics tools that we have. So I think training is one of the essential ingredients for success in clinical research. Especially today, we have so much data being generated on a daily basis. The data can be very complex. We are now using artificial intelligence more and more. We are using many other data science approaches which have not been used previously. So training, especially custom training, customly designed to help specific group of professionals achieve their goals, I think that's one of the key ingredients, as I said before, the key ingredients to advance clinical research and to make sure that the innovation we are creating is very quickly executed on the professional level, so that it's not left behind somewhere where people won't be using that innovation for years. We need to make sure that that innovation is quickly executed into the workflows, and that the impact that we see is much faster. We iterate much faster with that impact than without the custom training. So I hope that this will be a very interesting view in the future. Also, the development of training in the world of highly dynamic world of artificial intelligence, and I think it will be one of the key elements of advancing many fields, not just clinical research, but it's very specific to clinical research, which is a highly complex field. So, training is super important, definitely, for clinical research.
Conclude a simple truth. Training is not optional. It's the essential foundation for innovation to succeed. At Indaea, we design customized training programs tailored to the needs of pharma and clinical research teams. Whether in regulatory affairs, quality assurance, or clinical operations, our programs are built to accelerate onboarding, align teams quickly, and maintain compliance in fast-moving projects. This becomes even more critical when companies rely on outsourced or global teams. With the right training, external partners integrate seamlessly, adopt best practices, and deliver results with the same consistency as internal staff. In the end, it's not only about executing projects and meeting deadlines. It's about building integrated teams that are confident, agile, and resilient, continually evolving and adding value to the project. So, let's connect and create your next training together. Thank you.